shine like a diamond. Looks like a hood range microwave right there. Maybe some other stuff. Range microwave so far. It is cold out there. Phew. I wonder there ain't no other scrappers out here. You gotta be crazy to be out here in this type of weather. Oh, that's what I saw. I guess we'll take the whole box. Or not. Good poker in there. Oh, something's still in there. We're out of here. It's coming up now. Maybe we'll be able to see something in a minute. We all thought there ain't too much out here. I just want to ask you guys a question about YouTube avatars. Scrap Kingdom was talking about that the other day. You know, when I started this channel, I didn't really know what to name it. That's why it's just my name. I just felt like I didn't want to pigeonhole myself into, you know, one genre or anything. I really think the only sustainable long-term channel is probably vlog style channels. You know, you build a you know, an audience that just likes to watch you and watch your journey through life or whatever you're doing. I think that's the best way to do it. I mean, there's no real anonymity between, you know, having a fake name or whatever you want to call it on there. I don't want to be stuck as just a one type of channel and have that plateau. And, you know, it seems like all the ones that really have staying power are just vlog style channels, you know. And that's what I like watching. I like watching, you know, it's like reality TV when it first came out. It was awesome, you know. It was real. It was people's stories. It's what people want to see. They don't want to see some made up crap. You want to see made up crap, we'll watch Seinfeld or whatever, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I just feel like reality TV really died, and this is the new reality TV, you know. It's also somewhat of a Pandora's box, you know. It's like, start opening this thing up and, oh, maybe there's something over here. Let's go see. This is that house that we got the furnace and some other stuff out of. Been working on it for a while. It doesn't look like too much, but anyway, you know, there's so much stuff on here to learn, to know, to watch, other people's experiences. Plastic shelf. We don't want no plastic shelf. So let me know what you guys think about that. You know, an avatar is kind of cool, and, you know, I guess it's catchy. You know, it makes people remember who you are, but if they really want to watch you and they like your content, they're gonna remember who you are anyway, I guess. But I do a lot of things, you know. I do a lot of different things. I do scrap, but I'm also a farmer, and I work on cars, do mechanical work, fabrication, machining, you know. Sometimes experiments on questionable things, right? And I just didn't want to, you know, block myself in like that. It seems like some channels I've watched over the years, they really, you know, they cater to a certain genre, and it's like it's dying out, you know. It's like they've got a lot of subscribers, but they get like no views because, you know, they've pretty much exhausted it, I guess. But, you know, let me know what you guys think about that. I like seeing everybody's life and, you know, what they're doing. And shit, I watch guys just cutting grass and landscaping guys and, you know, whatever, contractors, construction. I just like seeing things get built that's real, you know, not some made-up story that, you know, looks like the vehicle got built in a week or whatever, you know. I like to see people learning and, you know, progressing. You know, let me know what you guys think about that. There ain't too much going on out here, so I'll come back if we find something. Squeegee. Definitely ain't much out here today. But we'll do the run anyway. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep pushing. Two old vacuum cleaners. I guess I'm pretty lucky my yard will take those. Throw them right in the shred pile. Looks like some aluminum from a shower. Appliance guy over here usually leaves some stuff. Let's see what he left. It's like a gearbox from a washing machine or something. Probably got blinded by the sun the whole time, but oh, we're spinning. Well, at least we know we were the only ones that ran through here. These vacuum cleaners wouldn't have had cords on them otherwise. The P-Town cord cutter ain't been here. Really nothing out though. But like a wise man once said, you don't know till you know, right? Probably should have stayed in bed. I was all curled up in the covers, comfortable. Well, we'll see what else we'll get into today. This old man in this Ford is another scrapper. He's still got frost on his windows. He's just getting out here. Too late, bud. Beat you to it. Unless you're looking for wood.